There you can see those live pictures coming in. Massive celebrations outside the Tihar jail. Top leaders of the Aam Aadmi Party. And there you can see Arvind Kejriwal waving to his supporters. He's out of jail finally after he was arrested in the liquor policy case. Remember, a big shot in the arm for the Aam Aadmi Party right ahead of the Haryana polls and also the Delhi Assembly elections next year, early next year. But certainly a defining visual there with Arvind Kejriwal walking out of jail. Remember, it was 6 months back that the Enforcement Directorate first arrested Arvind Kejriwal in the money laundering allegations as far as the liquor policy case is concerned. And then the CBI, which is probing the corruption allegations, also arrested Arvind Kejriwal while he was in custody. But he's gotten bail in both the cases now. The Enforcement Directorate case, of course, the Supreme Court had granted bail earlier, and now in the CBI case as well, the Supreme Court granting bail there. Tough words from the Supreme Court as well. But politically speaking, this has wide-ranging ramifications given the fact that there has been, almost an existential fight that the Aam Aadmi Party has been battling with. First, of course, the near decimation in the Lok Sabha polls, and then the talks faltering with the Congress as far as the Haryana polls were concerned. But now, of course, with the top two of the Aam Aadmi Party, both Manish Sisodia as well as Arvind Kejriwal out of jail, is the party now on the road to revival? That certainly is a big question. Manish Sisodia has been campaigning the length and breadth of the national capital, also in Haryana. But what we are picking up from sources within the Aam Aadmi Party is that Arvind Kejriwal will hit the campaign road right away. He's expected to campaign in Haryana extensively, along with Chief Minister Bhagwant Mann, who's also present there, as you can see in those visuals, and also his key aides, Manish Sisodia, Sanjay Singh, Atishi, all of them present there. Of course, as I said at the very outset, there has been a veritable constitutional crisis in the national capital, since the time Arvind Kejriwal was arrested. Let's try and dip into the audio. Yeah.
मैं आप लोगों के बीच में लाखों करोड़ों लोगों का शुक्रिया करना चाहता हूँ। लाखों लोगों ने मन्नत मांगी, लाखों लोगों ने दुआएं की, आशीर्वाद भेजे, प्रार्थना की, मंदिर गए, मस्जिद गए, गुरुद्वारे गए।
All right, we'll try and get better audio of that. So Arvind Kejriwal there addressing his supporters. Of course, there's a massive roadshow that has been planned from the Tihar jail to the Chief Minister's residence at civil lines. But of course, this is going to be a huge shot in the arm for the Aam Aadmi Party, as I said. Let's try and dip into the audio again.
आप सब लोगों का आज यहाँ पे इतनी बारिश में इतनी बड़ी संख्या में यहाँ पे लोग आप सब लोग आए हैं, आप सबका तहे दिल से शुक्रिया अदा करता हूँ। दोस्तों, मेरा जीवन देश के लिए समर्पित है। मेरे जिंदगी का एक एक पल, मेरे शरीर का एक एक कतरा, मेरे खून का एक एक कतरा देश के लिए समर्पित है। मैंने जिंदगी में बहुत संघर्ष किया है, बहुत बड़े बड़े संघर्ष किए, जिंदगी में बहुत मुसीबतें झेली हैं, लेकिन हर कदम पे भगवान ने मेरा साथ दिया है। ऊपर वाले ने मेरा साथ दिया। क्यों? क्योंकि मैं सच्चा था, मैं सही था, इसलिए भगवान ने मेरा साथ दिया। इन लोगों ने मुझे जेल में डाल दिया। इन लोगों को लगा कि केजरीवाल को जेल में डाल देंगे तो केजरीवाल के हौसले टूट जाएंगे। आज मैं आपको कहना चाहता हूं, मैं जेल से बाहर आया हूं
मैं भगवान से प्रार्थना करता हूं, जैसे आज तक ऊपर वाले ने मेरे को रास्ता दिखाया, ऊपर वाले ने मेरे को ताकत दी, ऐसे ही भगवान मुझे रास्ता दिखाता रहे। मैं देश की सेवा करता रहूं और ये जितनी राष्ट्र विरोधी ताकतें हैं जो देश के विकास को रोक रही हैं, जो देश को बांटने का काम कर रही हैं, जो देश को अंदर से कमजोर करने का काम कर रही हैं, जिंदगी भर में इनके खिलाफ लड़ा हूं, आगे भी ऐसे ही लड़ता रहूंगा। भारत माता की